Welcome to Kids Academy. Read the sentences and tick the correct answer.
Telling time fairy tales.
Tap the green check button once you're done.
So it says, one day on a sunny afternoon, the little mermaid went on the surface of the ocean and saw a ship with humans on board. So was it AM or PM? If it's the afternoon, is it in the morning or is it towards the nighttime?
Morning. Whether it's morning.
PM. Afternoon. It was another joyous morning and Snow White was cooking dinner when the disguised evil queen knocked on her door. So was it AM or PM?
PM. Wait.
AM.
AM.
Here.
Is this AM?
Mm-hmm.
So that's nighttime?
Morning time. So this one says Cinderella returned from the ball soon after midnight. Is that AM or PM? Midnight.
Midnight.
It's what? In the nighttime.
Wow,
PM.
you did it all by yourself.
Oh.
It's funny.
Okay, this one says on a hot sunny morning, Aladdin found a cave lit up and he lit up an old lamp. So is it AM or PM? In the morning is AM, right?
AM.
Great.
You're on the right track. Keep it up.
She messed up.
All right, let's get started.
Read the words written next to the birds.
All right, so now we're going to do
Check the
shout.
ends that have the words with the same vowel
Okay.
sound.
Great, so now we're going to do short
Tap
vowel.
the green check button once you're done.
Right, honey? Okay, what's this little guy saying?
Cat.
That's right, honey. Okay, what's he saying? What's this guy saying?
Tag.
That's right. That little bird is saying pet. Very good, sweetheart. What's this little bird saying? Uh-huh. Wow. Well, look at you, sweetheart. Okay. Did you get it right?
Wow.
Yay! All right, sweetheart.
Play with me in the Kids Academy app and learn about math, reading, writing, and more. Scan the QR code or use the link in the description. Let's have fun!